How do I assemble a watering system with the greenhouse accessory kit that's included in the Greenhouse Sense and Control Kit? The accessory kit comes with clear and blue tubing, 2 kinds of connectors, drip irrigation heads, hook and loop fasteners to help with tube and wire management, and a 1-hole rubber stopper. Along with other items, this eco chamber and USB pump come with the Greenhouse Sense and Control Kit. You'll need additional items including SparkView or Capstone software, a pair of scissors, a container for a water reservoir with a lid, and a small potted plant, or the plant pot, soil, and seeds that will fit inside the chamber. And it's nice to have binder clips and rubber bands to help hold items in place or to close open ends of tubing like this. Before starting, you should have an idea of how you want to set up your watering system. I have just one possibility assembled here. Start with the blue tubing. Cut shorter pieces off the end for the drip heads and push the drip head directly on the tubing. If you only plan to use one drip head, there's no need to cut any short pieces. Use the T to connect tubing if there's more than one drip head. Now you'll have to decide where to cut the blue tubing to insert the 1-hole stopper, which you'll need to direct the tubing through the eco chamber like you see here. It's important to leave enough tubing inside the chamber to get this U shape, with the drip heads pointing slightly up as the highest point where the tubing ends, because this helps avoid air being drawn into tubing when the pump is off and prevents excess drainage from the tubing. Carefully insert the connectors into the stopper so the wide barb ends are flush with the stopper hole on either side like this. You want to make sure the barbs on either side are secure and pushed about the same distance into the hole for leak-proof water flow. Connect blue tubing to the stopper, then add another connector, like this, to connect the clear tubing. If your water reservoir has a lid that will accommodate tubing and the USB cord like this, run those items through the hole first, then attach the clear tubing to the USB pump nozzle. Clear tubing goes directly on the pump nozzle like that. Add just enough water to cover the pump inside the reservoir. Then secure the pump to the bottom of the container with the suction feet. Then fill up the container the rest of the way and place the lid on the container. Plug the pump USB cord into the first available channel on the power output board. Connect that to your control node, connect to the software, and let the coding begin.